Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I don't have an introduction today because I forgot to charge my camera. But anyway, today we will be making something savory. I'll be showing you how to make a quiche. So a quiche is a delicious egg-based custard. It's baked on top of this nice buttery crust and filled with your favorite toppings. It's kind of like an omelette but way better. Trust me, it's one of my favorite things to eat for brunch, so I'm so excited for this video. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to prepare our dough, and for that we will need 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of sugar, 8 grams of salt, and 113 grams of cold butter cubes. Just mix this all together until you're only left with pea-sized chunks of butter. Add about 7 tablespoons of cold water. Just give this a mix for a few seconds. You don't want to overmix the dough. Just give it a try. If it comes together after you squeeze it, then your dough should be ready. If it still feels a little bit too dry, then add another tablespoon of water. So the next step is very important whenever you're making a dough. So after we pat it all down, make sure to let it rest in the fridge for at least an hour. This way, it will help relax the gluten, the fat will firm up so you will have an extra flaky crust and a nicer buttery mouthfeel. Also, it will help prevent your dough from shrinking too much after we bake it. After 1 hour, preheat your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and start rolling out your dough on a lightly floured surface and transfer it to a pie dish. Here I am using a 9-inch pan. If you don't have one or just don't know what to do with the trimmings, you can always use those tartlet molds, or here I am using a muffin tin. Just make sure to grease it very well so it doesn't stick to your container. Dock the bottom of your dough and bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until it's about to brown. Now that we have the difficult part out of the way, we're ready to make our egg custard filling, and for that you will need 3 large eggs, 180 ml of cream, 180 ml of milk, some salt and pepper, and the topping of your choice. One of the most popular variant is the quiche Lorraine. That has some bacon and cheese, but here I'm also adding some blanched broccoli and some green onions. You can also do spinach. I've seen caramelized onions, some mushrooms. The toppings is totally up to you. Making the egg custard filling is really effortless. All you need to do is whisk those eggs, add in your milk, your cream, and season it with some salt and pepper. Grab your pre-baked tart shells, add in your toppings and your egg custard filling, then bake it for about 20 to 30 minutes until the center is just about set. And there you have a quiche. It's so easy, pretty straightforward. It's perfect for brunch, breakfast, or even for just snacking. Let me know what combinations you've tried, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!